Understanding, dated back to, a guide to historical phrases in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of historical phrases in English. We'll be focusing on the phrase, dated back to. This phrase is commonly used, but what does it really mean? Stay with us as we explore its meaning, usage, and history in a fun and easy-to-understand way. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English expressions, you're in the right place. Dated back to is a phrase used to indicate that something originated or existed at a point in the past. It's often used in historical contexts or when discussing the origins of an object, idea, or tradition. For example, if we say, the tradition of celebrating Halloween is dated back to ancient Celtic festivals, we mean that the roots of Halloween can be traced to those ancient celebrations. This phrase is typically used in a passive construction. Here are a few examples. The fossils dated back to the Jurassic period. This style of architecture is dated back to the Renaissance. Remember, the phrase is often followed by a time period or a specific historical event. One common mistake is confusing dated back to with dates back to. The latter is more frequently used and is grammatically correct in most contexts. For instance, correct. The castle dates back to the 14th century. Incorrect. The castle dated back to the 14th century. Understanding the historical context of this phrase can be intriguing. It evolved from the literal action of dating documents and artifacts to establish their age. Over time, dated back to became a metaphorical way of referring to the age or origin of something. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, dated back to. It's a small yet fascinating part of the English language that connects us with history and culture. Keep exploring English, and you'll discover many more phrases like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.